Hey guys, welcome to Matthew Storms. Today's the 15th of March 2023. Just got to keep it quiet because there was a person out just poking a head out, telling me to shut the you know what up. I just got to keep the video clean, so I'm not going to say any F words. So I'll just keep it quiet. So if you guys can hear me still. So yeah, there was a person telling me to shut, was about to tell me to shut the what up. So I'm not going to say the F word. Just got to keep it clean. There's no swear words on the group. So I'm always been a loud person. And there's one thing nice. And there's one thing I didn't know about Yarrabilba. I can see Brisbane over there. If you can't see if these red lights are still around, I can see Brisbane. I can see the TV towers over there. Way in the distance. So it looks like we're not far from Brisvegas. Call it the Brisvegas because it's pretty cool that way. I can hear a rumble out this way. Must be a jet or something. So yeah, how cool is that? It doesn't look far though, but when you catch the train or something, or if you drive to Brisbane, it's probably 40 or 50 minutes away, or an hour away. Oh yes. Lots of planes are turning around. Why would you put planes flying in a storm, really? I'd hate to fly in a storm. So many planes flying around. I would say no. I would fly the plane until the storm's over and done with. But if I was a storm lover, I'd just sit on the cockpit and film. I'll probably get the sack for that, but yeah. Anyways, yeah, how cool is that? I can see Brisvegas over there. And the Mount Cootha over there. Didn't even know. You can see Brisbane in Yarrabilba. I went bushwalking in those areas and I can see a good view out there of Brisbane. So, sorry, I just remembered myself. Better not talk so loud. Couple of rumbles over there. Maybe some jet planes over there, just probably F-18 growlers or something, making that noise. Not much lightning over there, must have died off. I don't know, it's not much lightning, there's a lot of lightning over there. It's not much lightning active out this way. Lightning's over there now. So I would say this must be the end of our... I saw some lightning over there, or if it's ages away, I don't know what the storm's doing. The storm might be ages away over there, or whether it's just died off. I don't know what the second cell's doing. But I'm just mainly just focusing on here. Then I'm just waiting for my parents to get a phone call and say, oh, it's dinner's on the table. Then I'll just walk home, have dinner. Then if this second cell comes out, I'll try and come back out late. Try not make so much noise. Because I think the kids have got school tomorrow as well. It's Wednesday. I thought it was Thursday today. It's Wednesday. So the kids have got school in the morning, so I don't have to freaking wake them up. Shut up, Matthew. Yeah, well, the storm must be ages away over there. I don't know what the scenic rim's up to with those storms over there. I saw some lightning there moments ago, but it looks like it's died off. I don't know what it's doing. So just see if I'm right. I'll find out on the group. See if it's alright. Or maybe it's ages away. It's coming towards us, northeast. It's going northeast. So we should get it. It was supposed to be on the forecast to be inland, but obviously obviously it's for Brisbane as well, for all of us now. Pretty cool to see Brisbane and Yarrabilba. Oh, another one. Pretty cool to see Brisbane from Yarrabilba. It's pretty cool to see the city. Should put a lookout all here in Yarrabilba. There's some lightning over there now, so just got to find out what's happening on the bomb. It's probably coming northeast. It might die out. There's some lightning over there. Just saw some lightning in the southwest. I don't know what it's doing. I'll just have a look on the bomb when I have dinner or something. An aeroplane over there. Nice cool plane. Why are the aeroplanes flying in a storm? Pretty cool to see Vegas. I call Brisbane Vegas because it's the best name for it. Should be called Vegas. Vegas is the best name for it. Any lightning over there? That one's about to go away. There's some lightning over there now. So I'll just have a look. I'll just be here for a few minutes and I'll wrap it up. Charge my phone up a bit more and we'll do part 2. So I'll put these videos together, hopefully. So if you want to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Matthew Storms. So yes, it's storming in Vegas over there, so love that name, Vegas. Should change that name to Vegas. Why do I keep saying Vegas? Alright guys, I'm just going to wrap it up and just got to keep an eye on the storm on the southwest. I think everyone's keeping an eye on it. I can see lightning over there now, so the storm's ages away, so just have plenty of time to have dinner, then come back out. So hopefully I'll come back out, just film some more, but I'll try and, if the storm comes a bit later, I'm just going to try and be a bit more quieter, because you probably may not going to hear me, but because I don't want any people complaining about how loud I talk, because people will tell me I think people will tell me to shut I'm just going to make it clean, not going to say the F word, just to tell me to shut the what up, so I'll come back late hopefully, But I'm probably going to be a silly person to go out outside at midnight watching these storms, but it looks like part 2's on the way, but we'll see what the storm's going to do. But it's a cell just over there. So, like I said, keep an eye on the updates. Whoa, there we go. There's a lightning above me now. So like I said, there we go. Maybe I'll just stay out here then. Shouldn't wear shoes anyway. Maybe I should stay out here for a few minutes. I just looked at the corner of my eye, I saw a massive bolt come down maybe. I don't know where that lightning came down, so hopefully it doesn't frickin' hit me. Oh, yes. Got some forks over there now. Hang on, I'll just wait out here. There's some forks out here. I'm not going to wrap it up. I've got some forks out here. I just saw some forks coming down, so over there, just looking over my southwest. So it must be a cell coming. Just going to try and be careful. Yeah, there's some lightning behind the mountains just there now, so the storm must be ages away. Must be a storm on its way. Because I just saw a fork in the distance on the southwest side, looking over at Bow Desert and Scenic Rimway. Just looking towards Scenic Rim now. There was a bolt somewhere. Just looked over the corner of my eye, saw a flash. So I'll just stay out here just in case if there's a big one coming down. It'll be cool to see a close bolt. There's a few storms now to develop, I suppose. There's a few storms developing now, so I'm getting surrounded by them now. So Yarrabilba's in for it tonight, I suppose. I'll just do one more video. I'll just see if there's a couple of bright ones around. One more bright one. Come on, give me something spectacular. And then I'll go inside. I'll wrap it up a bit for a little bit and then I'll come back out if a storm's on its way. So I'm going to wrap it up, folks. I'll just see if there's one more bright one without notice. And then I'll come back out. If there's a storm on its way, I'll come back out. Alright guys, I'm going to wrap it up. And we'll see you out in a minute. I'll give you an update if the storms are going to come. So thank you very much. See you soon. Just going to have dinner. See you soon.